Hey fan, let's find Lightning McQueen and Pixar toys. Let's go! Wow, it is smoky!
Look alive! Reflexes are the first thing to go! Ah! Ah!
Yeah, cool! Ho! Carla Veloso!
What just happened?
I'm working on it.
Yeah! Wow, guys, who is that? Yeah, guys, it is Holly!
Quite right. It does sound a bit far-fetched.
Ollie, what are you doing here?
Hello, Mater. It's so good to see you again.
Ho, cool! Wow, Mill Axelrod!
And now, our last competitor, number 95, Lightning McQueen. Good job.
Ho, nice! Okay. Follow me, guys. Wow. Pixar toys, yeah. Lightning McQueen. Yeah, cool. Wow, it's Ramon.
Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Oh,
Maybe
thanks,
gold
man.
flames. You like old school pinstriping?
Ho, cool. Okay, follow me, guys. Wow, who is that? Yeah, feel more.
Wow, this organic fuel is great. Why haven't I heard about it before?
It's a conspiracy, man!
Ho, cool. Yeah, guys, Bobby Swift.
You're not Bobby.
Name's Danny, bro.
Yeah, nice. Wow, it was Jackson.
I said I'm not angry. Oh, I don't think so. No.
Ho, cool. Okay, follow me, guys. Yeah, fabulous Lightning McQueen.
Say old school.
Yeah, cool. Cruz Ramirez. Yeah. Ho, it is Doc Hudson.
Order in the court! Seems like my mind has been changed for me.
Yeah. Okay, follow me, guys. Next car. Wow. Tomb Raider. Yeah.
Winner! Motto! Woo, that's it!
Haha, cool. Okay, follow me, guys. This video, Disney cars swimming in the pool. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, guys, rap maker. Yeah, it is full. Oh yeah, Bobby Swift. Gas Dynaka. Yeah, guys, it's Jackson. Oh ho ho, Axelrod. Oh ho ho, Fillmore. Lightning McQueen. Wow, it is Groose. Okay, fabulous Lightning McQueen. Yeah, guys, it is Ramon. Oh ho ho, it is Smokey. Oh yeah, Tomater. Yeah, Ramirez.
Wow. Subtle.
Figured if I'm gonna be your crew chief.
Nice. Oh. Nice, okay. Wow. This is Tomater. Wow. Nice. Okay. Wow. Yeah. Wow, Danny Suarez.
Wait, you're not Bobby? Name's Danny, bro.
Yeah. Nice. Okay. Wow. Oh. He's Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Nice. Okay. Wow. Yeah. This is Jackson.
What, the girl in the costume? You're kidding me. He put her in the race?
Nice. Okay. Wow. Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Lightning McQueen. Nice. Okay. Let's go. Follow me, guys. Monster cars. Nice. Okay. Wow. Monster car. Another. Nice. Yeah. McMissile. Hello to no person. Yes. Wow. Carlaviosa. Yeah. Nice. Wow. This is Hulk. Yeah. Ooh. Nice. Yeah. Big Lightning McQueen. Monster Lightning McQueen. Oh. Nice. Okay. Thank you.